In a contract, parties make promises to one another. But what if the situation now suggests that one party won't deliver on its promise? In AMF versus McDonald's, the fast food giant wants to walk away from a deal after a manufacturer has trouble producing the cash registers it had promised. In the 1960s, AMF began producing computerized cash registers in the hopes of streamlining restaurant operations. For $20,000, McDonald's purchased a prototype to test out at a busy store in Elk Grove, Illinois. The prototype was installed in April of 1968. McDonald's later ordered 23 units for itself and franchise owners. AMF promised it would deliver the units by mid-year 1969. The prototype prompted not efficiency, but disappointment. It constantly needed service. After a year-long trial, McDonald's decided to remove the prototype. McDonald's representatives visited AMF's plant in March of 1969. The visit didn't inspire confidence that the registers would be done by mid-year. None of the registers were ready for assembly, and workers were concerned about design flaws. To address the prototype's problems, the parties agreed that they would establish performance and reliability standards for the registers. McDonald's asked AMF to stop production until the parties could reach an agreement on the performance standards, and AMF agreed. The parties met in May but couldn't agree on performance standards. AMF wanted to allow for a register failure once per 15 days, but that would have hampered the restaurants using the technology. AMF also didn't have a register ready. It offered assurances that it could complete 5 units, down from the original order's 23. Given the problems with the prototype and lack of progress at the plant, McDonald's didn't want to move forward. The parties next met in July. By this time, AMF understood that McDonald's had canceled its orders for the cash registers. AMF sued McDonald's and its franchise owners for wrongful repudiation of the contract. McDonald's sued AMF, seeking to recover the $20,000 it paid for the prototype. After trial, the court entered judgment in favor of the defendants in both suits. AMF appealed to the Seventh Circuit.